Good morning from the back of my property. It's September 15th and I just want to take you and show you this huge stand of goldenrod that I have at the back of my property. Goldenrod has numerous healing benefits. In fact, it is a native plant that means that it's been growing where it is or in this area for hundreds of years, perhaps forever, who knows. But it was used by the Native Americans as a healing plant. In my garden, I say it's the queen of my garden, of my autumn garden, because by the time that goldenrod blooms, it's about the only thing pretty in my garden. Everything has dried up. I live in Mississippi, which has an immense amount of heat. It has had very little rain this year, and most of my garden is dried up and withered. Because it's blooming in September, it is a flowering bloom that provides nectar for the butterflies, the monarch butterflies that are flying south. It's a pollinator plant. Several species of hummingbirds depend upon the nectar of goldenrod. And I just like it because it's beautiful. I like looking back there. These goldenrod plants are at least 6 feet tall. They stand as a buffer. You could use it as a hedgerow. There's a fence behind this goldenrod, so I don't need it as a hedgerow here. I just need it because it's pretty. So today, in September 15th, I want you to go out and look for some goldenrod and say hello to the beautiful autumn season that's coming. September in my garden.